Hi guys, so I'm Ms. Fung and I'm just going to walk you guys through how to use Flipgrid if you've never used it. It's pretty straightforward. So you're going to go to the Flipgrid slide page and you're going to select what period you're in. So make sure that you double check your schedule and you know that you're uploading to the correct period. So let's say that you have me for period 3 and that's also with Ms. Cunningham. So you're going to click on period 3 and then click on the link and it will take you to Flipgrid. It's going to ask you if you want to sign in with Google or your Microsoft account, but we all have Google accounts thanks to NVMS. So go ahead and click Join with Google. And it will take you to our period 3 page. So just to be clear, it's going to confirm what account you want to use. And for me, that is my NVMS account, and same thing for you. And it will take you to the period 3 Flipgrid page. So you're going to scroll down and you're going to see the very first topic is who dis? So you're going to record a response. And then you are going to hit options. And then you are going to hit record screen. So that way we can also see your slide while you're talking about it. But before you do that, you're going to come back here and you are going to scroll up to the slide that has all your pictures on it. And then that way, once you start the recording, you won't have to waste any time because 90 seconds or a minute and a half is going to go by really quickly. You only have a minute and a half to talk about the things you love. So you're going to hit start screen recording and you want to share your entire screen. So click share. Come back over to Google Slides and hit present. And now you can introduce yourself. So you can say, hi, I'm so-and-so, and these are a few of my favorite things. You can also check out my Flipgrid videos so you can see what I did. I had to talk really quickly because there's a lot of stuff that I wanted to talk about, and 90 seconds goes by really fast. But yeah, you can check mine out and learn a little bit more about me, and I look forward to learning more about you guys. So thank you so much for sharing about yourselves, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.